This is really what I do when I'm gonna put on a full face, so I wanted to do that for you guys so you guys could see these brows right here. So these are definitely not the most natural. I mean, they are pretty natural looking, but they're definitely filled in Instagram type brows. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see a natural eyebrow routine, because I can do that as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys later.